Hey guys, how are you? It's Sunday. I'm in Winstead, Connecticut. I have right here a horizontal roof niche. This is where natives would put oftentimes perishable offerings because they're looking to appease certain spirits. I just wanted to show you this right here is an example of it in this book, Ceremonial Stoneworks, but I got to give you a better view of this thing. It looks like nothing on camera, but it's absolutely 7 to 8 feet long. You can start to see the space underneath it. 2 stacked stones right here. It is supported right there. Big hollow area underneath. And then supported again right there. That's a beauty. I wanted to show you something really interesting in this book that I found. This right here is what a serpent wall looks like. There's the wall. And there's the serpent head, there's the eye feature. And the reason I wanted to show you this is because I have shown serpent heads in my videos. I don't know that this one is a serpent head, but when you've seen me show them in my videos, this would be a picture of this is a huge one, it's probably 10, 12 feet long. Some of the ones I've found are a little bit smaller than that. Enjoy.